Good evening, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2005 Volvo XC90 V8 all-wheel drive. What we're going to do is we'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let's take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first we're just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. And then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well so you can see condition. Huge reason why we love doing these video walkarounds. Saves a bunch of time on both sides. You have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. Plus it's for all of our out-of-town, out-of-staters. We offer transport and delivery options. Just give us a call or a text for further details. But as you can see, it has a rear tinted windows, a roof rack. It does have a tow pack with backup sensors. Get these angles in here for you. Really clean little affordable SUV. Definitely great car for somebody with bumpy credit, first time car buyer, you know, family in need of a nice family vehicle. Has a third row seat, so that's always nice. Let's get tire size in here for you. So it looks like it's 235 60 R18. And just want to get those angles in there for you. Sunroof. Let's get to the inside condition and features. Let me find the keys here. So we have both sets. The condition on the inside here. As you can see, power windows, power locks, power memory seats. Let's get the condition of the leather. This does have the Dolby premium sound as well. So leather's in great condition for an 05. No rips, tears, or stains. The Volvo leather is a little more plush than some other manufacturers. Sorry about this, trying to get my camera to focus here and it's not doing its job. Let's just go ahead and grab the back two jumpers there, third row, and then let's grab the middle seats here. This does pop up to be like a little car seat or a booster seat for a youngster. Let's go ahead and grab that there. Let's get some features up front. Steering wheel controls there. Stock stereo. Looks like it's Bluetooth capable for your phone. Heated seats. Looks like we got power fold-in mirrors and even a cigarette lighter. Don't see that too often anymore. And then of course we got the sunroof up there, but let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. Find the latch here. Oh, there we go. Alright guys, now I do say this in my videos all the time. I am not a mechanic, I'm not going to pretend, but I like to get this in here for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you probably looked at a few others, so you have an idea of what you're looking for. Now, all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected. You know, and I encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau. Our Google reviews, we hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. It's huge for us. But there's the mileage there. Let's go ahead and turn that down. There's a stereo. But as you can see, no check engine light. That little light right there just is telling you, hey, the hood's open, the door's open, you're low on gas, stuff like that. Let's go ahead and turn on some lights. We'll go back to the engine here. Coming along beautifully. Well, hopefully this helped answer some of your questions. You know, if there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, you know, shoot another video walk around. Whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a text or a call. You know, after doing these videos for so long, I realize that you know, in 20 years, people are going to look back and say, hey, I wanted that car, I love that car, I had that car, whatever it may be. But it's really cool to think about. It's going to be around for a while. But I just wanted to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business, guys. We'll see you next time.